Thank you so much to the Scala team, si Sir Jonder, si Kim, si Sir Ron, si Heaven, and the rest of the crew. Maraming salamat for your support, your help, and for accommodating us. Really, thank you for making this,
Smooth
smooth.
for us.
Really.
From Russia from the very start. It's, I don't know, 1 month or 6
Yes.
weeks. We
Reels lang, 1 minute.
ang dami naming hinanap, but really kayo nagtumanggap ng rush and quality. It's really really nice.
Thank you
So,
for being
thank
part
you.
of this memorable event. You will be forever in our hearts. Char. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank